My head's off the walls and do some shit like orchestrate swarms in the Morse mentality. It's not where it should be. When you see red and white lights break the night skies, reflection of a madman in the tear-eyed. Another brother dies, another in handcuffs. Mother's knees start to buckle up and fall when they see their child outline in chalk. Silence broken by shots or screams from knives cutting through your flesh. Cold steel interrupting bloodstreams. The cons are grim, but the pros, if you do it right, will bring you luxury. Man, for real, it makes me wanna run that drug deal. I'm sick of all these loose change, pennies, nickels, and dimes. My pocket wants the bills, everyday fat meals. This lifetime struggling these, stretching dollars like a pack of Ramses. It's hard to conceive that you can be something when you had nothing. Frontin' just to be down, but only getting clowned by your peers. That's why fights happen at Nathan Square every year. Understand, I never seen my dad since grade 9. Maybe years before or after, I don't know, but I know that time flies. So I just rely on my family, my mother and brothers, and my boys was first before these others. And try to stay strong through the hard times and tough times. My heart dies every time I'm on.